How to enable or disable gallery sync while roaming on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on menu icon. So after click on this menu icon, click on settings icon. Now in gallery settings, so you will see first option is sync with OneDrive. So click on sync with OneDrive. So after click on sync with OneDrive, so scroll down and now here showing you sync while roaming. So if you want to enable sync while roaming, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see sync while roaming is enabled. So if you want to disable sync while roaming, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see sync while roaming is disabled. So you will enable or disable sync while roaming from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable gallery sync while roaming on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.